Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk all about how to place houseplants around your home. Now, houseplants are pretty much any plant in the world that you can grow in your house, and almost any plant that can grow outside can grow inside. But there's a few factors that you should consider when you are placing your plants in your house. And first of all, you've got to make sure that you have enough light. Plants need some light, and a lot of times if you have an older home or you have a home and there's rooms that don't have a lot of natural light, they will not do well. But an easy way to fix that is to have some artificial light. And plants need a lot of moisture too, so I found that my plants do the best in the kitchen and the bathrooms where they're getting some light and some moisture. But when you're placing your plants around your house, there's a few rules to follow. Now, I have an archway here and a few cactus or cacti. I found they really do well right here in this condition because I've got windows on both sides of the kitchen and the light comes in, and they seem to really like it. They have the heat of the stove and the moisture when we're boiling things, and so they seem to really like it. And even a small little cactus in just a little container is all you need to spruce up a little shelf. And it seems to do really well right in this container. And then I've got this big euphorbia that loves the spot. And he keeps growing and growing and growing, and he has just gotten huge. And I think he'll outgrow this section sooner or later, but for now I'm going to leave him there. And then I've got this window by the sink. And I found my orchids love this morning sun window. All plants love the east side, so where the morning sun comes up. They're not getting that hot afternoon sun, but they're still getting lots of light. And I have an artificial light that's on at night too, so they love the artificial light. And between the two windows and the artificial light and the moisture from the kitchen, all the plants that I've ever put in this window have done really, really well. And I found too, and if you have corners near windows, hanging plants are great for making a little bit of a break in a corner. And they look good and they'll grow really well. It's getting a lot of light from the window, some artificial light, and it just loves hanging right here. So I found if you've got some stale corners or some corners that don't have a lot of interest, just by putting a hanging plant in that area, they'll do really, really well. And you can place plants all over your home as long as they get some light, whether it's natural or artificial. Keep them watered, but never let them sit in water, and you'll find that your house will be a great haven for plants.